Welcome back again to my channel. Trust you guys are doing well. Well, today today's recipe is a quick one. I would like to show you guys how I make my banana bread. The ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe is few. I have flour here, 2 cups of flour here. I have my baking soda. I always like using my brown sugar. I have eggs here. I have my peanut butter just to add to taste. I have my butter here. I have milk here. I have a bit of salt here and I have my crushed nuts here. I'll just leave in the description box the accurate size measurement and that I use. You check out the description box for that. So the first thing I would like to do now is mash up my banana and start mixing my sugar and butter. So right now guys, I've measured out my brown sugar and butter. I'm going to blend it up now with my hand mixer and I'll see you later guys. Okay guys, mixing is done. I'm going to go in with my eggs now and mix again. This time I'll go with my mashed bananas. And I'll mix again. Right now I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together. My baking soda and my salt. Add it to the flour. Mix it together. Then going with my milk. A little bit of my smooth butter, peanut butter. Give some taste, peanutty taste. Mix together. I'll go with my flour. I'll do this bit by bit. Final bit of my flour. Mix again. I'm going to give it a final mix now. So guys, my butter is ready. I've dusted my baking pan with butter and a bit of flour. So I'm going to add it here now. And the balance here. I'm gonna go ahead and just for some garnishing, sprinkle a bit of brown sugar on top. And add some of my crushed nuts on it. I'll also go in with some almond, sliced almond nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for 15 minutes to an hour. I'll be checking consistently, checking it so that it doesn't get bumps. Our banana bread is ready. Get your salsa and your fork. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, leave your comment down below, and don't forget to check the description box for measurements and all, and method of cooking or baking. Thanks guys for taking our time to always see my video. I love you all. Bye.